Good day, everyone. Visitors, parents, teachers, and fellow computers. What if I told you that the best thing you could do is not to take a step forward, but instead to take a step back? Sometimes, stepping back means taking a bigger step forward, and maybe that's how we become ready for what's ahead. Over the past 4 years, one thing has stood out to me. Those who truly shine aren't always the ones running the fastest, but the ones who pause. Connected to our theme, Filipino graduates prepared to lead with competence and character, I realized that one pause, one step back, prepares us for unprecedented times. It gives us time to think, forms our character, and gives us the confidence to take big steps forward. And today, as we finally take that big step forward, I want to take one small step back to say thank you. To my teachers, classmates, and friends, thank you for the moments that now mean so much. And to Wildcard, thank you for making these years unforgettable. Most dear to me, my family. Mommy, thank you for always trusting me and for never pressuring me. Daddy, I've always felt your care and support. And to other relatives that have helped me along the way, thank you so much. I'm truly grateful for the love that has taken me this far. And above all, I thank God the Almighty. Through my highs and lows, I learned to let go and let God. Because of Him, I found the strength to step forward and back no matter what. Now remember, stepping back doesn't hold you back. Runners begin with one foot back, pause, and that moment lets them sprint faster than ever. Life works the same way. Pausing lets us move forward like we never expected. Thank you and congratulations, everyone.